Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the weather app or website and getting ready. Make sure the app supports manual locations and that you have the city name or ZIP code. Once done, turn on device location briefly to compare automatic versus manual results. This helps you spot differences. If the app requires an account, sign in so changes persist across devices. Now you're ready to enter a new weather location manually and override the default detection. You type the target city, zip, or precise coordinates into the search bar and tap the matching result. Make sure the country and state match to avoid similar names. Once selected, choose Add, Save, or Make Default. This ensures the app prioritizes that location for forecasts. If the app supports multiple locations, reorder your list so the preferred city appears first. Make sure syncing is enabled, so your saved location appears on other devices tied to the same account. You finish by forcing a refresh. Pull down, tap refresh, or restart the app and wait 10 to 30 seconds for the new forecast to load. If the displayed weather still reflects the old place, remove the location and re-enter it, or clear the app cache to eliminate stale data. Make sure your device time and region settings are correct because mismatches can affect forecast matching. If problems continue, sign out and back in or reinstall the app to reset location handling.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.